Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about a very common issue on Android. App isn't responding error. If your apps are freezing or showing this error again and again, don't worry, just try these simple fixes. Fix 1. Free up storage plus restart your phone and check internet. First of all, check your phone storage. If it almost full, delete some unused file or apps to make space. Then restart your phone. Just turn it off and on again. Also make sure your internet is working properly. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to test it. Fix 2. Force stop the app. Sometimes an app gets stuck in the background and stop responding properly. Force stopping it completely shuts it down so it can restart fresh without error. Go to settings. Scroll down and tap on apps, then app management. Find the app that is causing the issue, tap on it and press force stop, then open it again. Fix 3. Update the app. Old versions of apps may have bugs or compatibility issue with your phone system. Updating fixes those bugs and improves stability. Open the Play Store and update the app to the latest version. Fix 4. Clear cache. Go to Settings, find and tap on Apps, App Management. Select the app, then go to Storage Usage. Now tap on Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that can cause issues. Fix 5. Reinstall the app. If the app file are corrupted, simple fixes won't work. Reinstalling gives you a fresh copy of the app without any errors. Uninstalling the app and then install it again from the Play Store. So guys, these were some simple and effective fixes for the app isn't responding error. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.